All right, if writing essays takes too much time or you struggle to organize your ideas. Yeah, ChatGPT can help a lot. In this full guide, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT for writing essays in 2026, step by step. First, open ChatGPT on your browser or mobile app and sign in to your account. ChatGPT can help brainstorm ideas, create outlines, improve grammar, summarize research, and even rewrite paragraphs more clearly. The better your prompt is, the better the results usually become. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to create an essay outline, introduction, thesis statement, or research summary. If you don't know what to write about, ChatGPT can generate topic ideas quickly. One of the best ways to use ChatGPT is for building a structured outline before writing. A good outline makes the essay much easier to organize and write. ChatGPT can help generate strong introductions and thesis statements for different essay types. You can paste your own writing into ChatGPT and ask it to improve grammar, clarity, or sentence structure. ChatGPT can also summarize long articles or notes into shorter, easier-to-understand points. If a paragraph sounds weak or too short, ChatGPT can rewrite or expand it with better wording. You can even ask ChatGPT to make your essay sound more formal, academic, persuasive, or professional. Don't just copy everything exactly as generated. Always review, fact-check, and personalize the essay so it reflects your own understanding and writing style. ChatGPT works best as a writing assistant, not a replacement for learning or critical thinking are, and much more organized.